Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by making sure your laptop is ready and then open the app. On Windows, press the Windows key and type sticky notes. On macOS, open Launchpad and search stickies. Do this because launching the correct app prevents confusion with third-party widgets. Once done, sign into your Microsoft account if you want syncing. This step is optional but helpful. Make sure you have a current OS build so the app behaves predictably and supports features like copy, paste, and cloud sync. Next, create and organize notes so you can use them productively. Click New Note or press Ctrl+N on Windows, CMD+N on Mac to create one. This gives you a fresh canvas. Then type your content and use simple formatting, bold for headings, bullet lists for tasks, so your brain quickly scans items. Resize the note and drag it where you want on the desktop. You can pin it on top if it needs constant visibility. Make sure to name or tag important notes mentally or with short headings for quick retrieval. Finally, ensure your work is saved and know what to do if something goes wrong. Sticky notes typically auto-saves, and syncing happens when you're signed into the same account, so make sure sync is enabled in settings. If a note vanishes, check Focus Assist, other virtual desktops, or app permissions. Sometimes notes are hidden, not deleted. When the app won't open, try restarting it, reinstalling from the store, or resetting the app in settings. But export important text first so you don't lose anything.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.